What about chocolate cookie?
I was talking to Juju.
If this tastes good, I might not eat it. Oh shit, my controller.
Okay, anyway.
Broken. What?
You have a big face like chocolate. That's great. Thank you.
No, Fancy, I was showing you. I was showing you.
Oh, the shark.
The shark. You disappeared so
I'm recording now because it was getting so chaotic. Yeah.
Jesus! Your avatar is really pretty. What is it?
It's Malvarothica.
Okay, we'll just throw these away.
Can I have it, please?
The Google Looker doesn't work.
Oh shit. Okay. Like, does it not work at all?
It doesn't.
May I see the manager?
Look
Oh,
what's happening with
shit.
my body when I'm trying to sit down.
Oh my god.
Or levitate.
Service me right now. I'm going to fucking give this a 0-star value on Yelp. You have a fancy top hat.
It just breaks. I can't sit down.
Are you sure the sitting thing isn't just because you're crouched?
It's not.
Okay.
Well, I'm the one who started. So
It's just because it's never because of the fact that I'm crouching. I've done it before with other avatars. This is the only way to show that it doesn't work. That I'm actually trying.
I'm the manager.
Please help me find some more avatars.
Do I have your consent to upload a video with you guys in it to YouTube?
Anywho,
Absolutely. Can you send me the link to it though? I want to see my gorgeous face.
Yeah.
Or what does one of my cooks do?
Can you help me find those avatars first, real
the
quick?
service took too long. They made the
I have my including on.
5 different times. They give us like 6 different servings of fries.
Wait, no, I also wanna find like, oh wait, no, I think you have to turn it off from that one. But like, I also wanna find more male avatars, because, yeah, Dysphoria is a thing.
I'll later after the event or something I can show you. I can do a showcase of all my male avatars.
Okay.
Thank you, I'm stealing the avatar. Thank you.
You're welcome. Who?
Alright, let me see.
Oh my god. I'm saving.
You already have kids.
We're not role-playing. We're not role-playing this.
Lucas, allow my chair.
Can confirm that is in fact broken.
I'm done with this friend group right now. What the hell?
That's to say, you have kids.
Dos! Dos, amigo! Dos! Un bonito! Un bonito! I do not speak your Spanish language!
Hey everybody! You heard the woman that want cake.
Get us some cake!
What? Wait, hold on. Before making the cake, what type of cake? Chocolate or white?
Vanilla.
No, for sure. He does not like white.
Bitch, I love vanilla.
I'm recording.
Are you seeing? Hello, people on the internet. Hello.
No, Juju did.
Oh.
Juju said something that could be taken as racist.
I like chocolate cake.
Oh.
Is that rude to say?
No.
Just chocolate cake.
No. Juju said that you don't like white.
I love white.
Ouch, please. Do you cards by
So true.
like,
So true.
structure?
My mom's boyfriend
Yeah, like the
wondering
sit stand
what the
thing,
hell
yeah.
is going on in my room.
Vanilla.
Oh, I don't think
Okay,
that
good. Here you go. Right to the middle.
What the fuck's that silverware?
Yeah, silverware is right here.
Oh,
It's not my fault that it's so shitty that you cannot even get it from there. I will give you one myself, but
What'd you do? Did you super glue the silverware to the freaking table?
I like having wings.
Maybe.
I like that. I don't know why I like that so much.
Why am I?
Wings.
Why am I so fucking small?
This is my way.
That's better.
I'm putting a 2-star review on Yelp.
here you go.
Tiny
Here's
Rosie.
a knife.
Tiny Rosie.
No, I don't want to be tiny Rosie. I want to be big Rosie.
There we go.
Big.
It would be so funny because everyone's a has-been or hell of a character except for me.
Transform now.
I say we transform instead.
I think you're in way too
Oh, screw it. I'm
What do you
recording
mean?
this.
Oh shit, no wonder why.
I wish to join you.
Anyway, the only like good,
Bro,
the only good has-been Abby's that I have are I have Glam and I have like
Oh my
4
God.
different angels.
Anyone else?
Are we done here?
You can be an
I'm
angel
giving
or
this place
glam.
a 1-star review on Yelp.
Okay.
Last one.
I love yes. This place deserves a 1-star review on Yelp.
I would suggest Angel Dust because one of Mono's comfort characters is Angel Dust.
You mean, yep, this place?
Okay.
Get the fuck out of here.
Are you kicking us
This one
out?
would
We're
load.
about to walk out.
No, you... No, you kicked yourself out. Go
How
ahead.
did we?
It's my favorite.
Give me one good reason on how we kicked ourselves out of the building.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Easy. Easy. I hate the key.
The door's locked.
You'll never leave
The
for you
door's
piece of
locked.
shit.
Fine, I'm gonna go make sure I can manage your guys' cooking. What?
Ah. Besides, you owe $200,000. But, you had to cook somehow.
$250 million!
That is cute.
Well, yeah, you didn't pay for shit. So,
I would say it's a Justice
And
Soul,
the
but I'm pretty sure he already sold his soul to you, so yeah.
a little bit more than that. He needs more than that.
Here, I'll pay for him! Come here, boy! I said that we're recording for YouTube and I just do the nastiest shit. Anyway.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, yo, where the plates at?
Oh, yeah. You tossed them, remember?
Oh,
Now
Froggy.
get to cooking.
Oh, Froggy, speak. Wait.
Nope.
I quit.
You can't quit!
You owe $50,000. You fucking bitch.
You said $2 million.
That, I meant that. Never mind. There we go.
Why the fuck is there a perfectly good cooked steak all the way over there? Why did I find this? Why did I find this?
You gave me my price.
Explain.
I don't fucking know. I don't know this shit.
Eat it. Fucking eat it.
That's my price.
Fucking eat it.
I'm not a child. I'm a cat.
Here.
I'm trying to throw it away, bitch!
I'm a vegan.
I'm trying to throw it the fuck away!
Okay, let me throw
You were standing in the goddamn trash can! You damn cat! Yes?
That's what happens.
Hi, there's this avatar I want to put on, but it's of someone you have lore with.
Fancy.
Farina,
Like,
go ahead.
yeah, are you sure you're okay with that? Like,
okay.
Are you good?
I'm okay.
Alright, cool. Thank
I'm perfectly fine. I'm totally not gonna. I am not gonna turn into the one that has brain. I'm not gonna turn into the nipple that has brain.
So I think that's why.
Oh my god, we got a map.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna stay Rosie.
So I can figure out how much I freaking paid for.
Here's the manager, even though he's just a copy of.
Where is it? Where is it?
Hi, Bean.
What?
Likes himself too much.
Oh yeah, to your wife as well. Fucking cannibals. All right, what do you want? What's happening? What?
Where am I?
I'm only paying for a cake.
Right, I can sit down in this one.
That is so okay. That is so
That's about it.
so adorable.
What's my price range? 'Cause he said
Hello.
The cat head can move.
Oh, I think that's...
Are you okay with being in a YouTube video?
For some reason,
Oh,
our...
there we go.
Okay. The YouTube video. I'm recording right now.
I leave for like 2 minutes. I don't even know what happened.
You! I don't know whether how much do I have to pay for 2 grilled cheeses,
I am.
freaking fry. How much? Oh, why can I change it to Vincent? What the hell? Why can I... 2 freaking million? Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? He tried to make more money off of $2 million off a freaking poor fella like me. Oh shit. Okay, there you go.
What? Remember,
Chaotic
taxes.
as fuck.
You keep forgetting the taxes, Guitar.
He said
You forgot
70.59. That's
taxes.
taxes plus. You should, please.
Most of it is taxes, so 100 off the bat. The tax.
They include, honey. They already included the taxes.
What do you mean, though?
I know that is the tax.
You're no longer a cook. You are now washing the dishes.
Oh, so honey.
The original price is $50, bro. He paid me $20 in freaking.
Oh, so I'm
taxes.
pretty sure in restaurants it's not a tax. It's whatever the fuck they want to tip with.
After in another 12
All
hours.
right, I'm gone.
I think it's just tips.
I just said there's no tax. It's just tip.
I thought you said they might as well do something other than tips, but whatever.
Is there anything you would like to take to go, good sir?
We ate all the food.
Yeah, and he didn't pay for shit.
Yeah, because one, you paid